Bro, why does everyone act like GitHub is a rocket science?
Because you are still uploading files named final_v2_result.zip.
Okay, first of all, that system works.
No, that system causes emotional damage.
I just wanna save my code, man.
GitHub doesn't just save code, it saves friendship and your career.
You are telling me developers survive because of these things?
Imagine building a project with 5 people without GitHub.
So chaos?
Pure chaos. People deleting files, overwriting code, one guy disappearing after minor changes.
Okay. What actually is GitHub?
Think of it like Google Docs, but for developers.
Wait, that is the first explanation that made sense.
You can track changes, go back to older versions, and collaborating without destroying the project.
So, what is Git commit?
Basically, I changed something, hopefully didn't break everything.
And push?
Uploading your code to GitHub.
Pull?
Downloading the latest changes.
Merge conflict?
Two developers fighting in 4K.
This actually sounds useful. Wait, my empty profile is public?
Unfortunately.
So, how do I level up fast?
3 things. Build projects, commit consistently, and write clean readmes.
So, no more final_v27.zip?
Delete it before future generation discover it.
GitHub in 80 seconds. And I finally understand it.
Character development, unlike your old code.